Hello, in this checkmate puzzle, there's one move for white that'll get you a checkmate in 2. Any other moves is a checkmate in 3 or worse. The black king is in the centre of the board, but white has lots of pieces ready to move in. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving your rook to f3 won't get you a mate in 2 unless black takes it back with their knight, because then you can move the queen to e2 to get the mate. But instead, black can take your bishop to save the mate in 2. Now, if you move your queen to g4, black can't move the king, but they can block with the bishop. They can take back with the queen just to get a mate in 3. Taking the rook with your bishop is another mate in 3, but not 2. Black can take your bishop with theirs. You can try and check with the rook, but the king can take back. And then you can move the knight in for just the checkmate in 3. Checking the king by moving your queen to g6 won't get you a mate in 2, unless black for some reason blocks with their rook, because then you can take it to get the checkmate. But instead, black can just block with the pawn. Now, if you try and check with the queen, black king can escape taking your rook. Checking the king by moving your queen to g4 also doesn't work. The black king can just take your rook. Then when you move your other rook down to check the king has escape squares. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the knight to f5. Black decides to take the rook with their king, you can move your queen to c2 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to take the knight with their king, then you can move your queen to g4 to checkmate in 2. If black moves their knight, you can take the rook with your queen to checkmate in 2. If black takes the bishop with their bishop, you can take the pawn with your rook to do the checkmate. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.